All right, this is the first video for the multi-view sketching classwork. So this is to help you with problem one. So what you're going to be doing in this one is you are going to be figuring out the top, front, and in this case, right side of your object. So this is your object, and you're going to try to figure out what of panel or where this number is pointing to corresponds with each one. So for A, it's done for you. So A, for the top, this is the top over here, we can see A matches up with 9, so it's this section. And then how we figure out the next one is 3, but we take this and we rotate it 90 degrees going down so we can see if it's a flat spot here, it's definitely not going to be any of these flat panels. It's going to be a panel going across horizontally. So we can see that 3, 5, and 6 match that criteria. But you can see that 9 only goes to here, so therefore the only one it can be is 3. And then going to the right side, if we just take this line and extend it across, we can see that it hits 21, therefore the only one it could be is 21. So now I'm going to show you with B. So B is this little panel, so we can see that this is going to be on the right side. So the right side, we have these 3 panels. We can see it's not going to be this one because that shape is all wrong. And we can see by looking at the size and shape, it's 18. So 18. And since it's a flat panel over here, we know it has to be a panel that's kind of tipped to its side. So if we rotate this 90 degrees to the front, we can see that it would have to be a line that is vertical. So we have 7, 8, and 4. And looking on where it's placed and the height of this one, we can see that if we just go with the height, we can see that 4 and 7 definitely cannot be it, but 8 can. So we're going to put an 8. And then from 8, we can just draw a line straight up. 14 seems to be the only one it can be. So we can then type in 14. So you're going to continue that with the rest of the panels that are over here, the rest of the sides of your object. So again, this is our top, we have our front, and we have our side. So this is how to do problem number 1 for multi-view sketching classwork.